How was everybody's weekend? Was it good? Mine was great. Feel nice and rested. And the question is, who's watching? Because if you're not winning, well, you're not watching. It's true. Now, how could you possibly be winning when the markets are all in the red? My goodness. What's the opposite of a Money Monday? Gonna have to think about that one. But that's kind of what today is, because the markets are not so friendly right now. But let's see if we can find some winners, shall we? Let's go. Are you ready? No, not you. You. Yeah, that's right. You right there. Right over there. Are you ready? Okay. I think now you're ready. Now that is pretty cool. Now, what is even cooler is that currently you're testing this. Oh! Wow, look at that, guys. Now that is pretty cool. Now, what is even cooler is that currently we're live on Rich TV Live right now. Wow, look at that, guys. Streaming, making us one of the only streaming platforms we're live in the galaxy. It's true. One of the only live streaming platforms in the galaxy. We're live in the galaxy. It's true. One of the only live streaming platforms in the galaxy. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Dan, the IT guy. Live streaming platforms in the galaxy. Take a look at the new website. Thank you, Dan, the IT guy. Let me just mute you over there, Rich, while you're live. But take a look at the new website, guys. Go to richtvlive.com and you can enjoy our bronze service package. You can enjoy our silver service package. Or you can step up to gold. And if you're truly looking to grow your business, you may want to reach for the diamond service. It's true. Now, Rich TV Live is newly improved. We're live streaming on Rich TV Live as we speak. It's pretty crazy. It's simultaneous, and you can find out a little bit about me over there in Rich TV Live. You can see all the social media links, and there's more to come. This is just the beginning. All my contact details, my phone number, email address, and you can see everything that you need to know. And we are powered by Mobile Mayhem Developers. Thank you, Mark, and your team at Mobile Mayhem Developers. If you need IT services, if you need developers, if you need a website that's going to tell your story, that's going to build your brand, let us know. We now are building websites and apps at a higher level than anyone on the planet. Look at the quality of the site, guys. Look at how we've improved. We got the news updated live 24/7. All the top stocks you want to know about live at your fingertips. Google down 1.9%. Apple down 3.47%. How about Canopy Growth Corp, weed in Canada, up 3.9%. How about TWMJF in America, the same company, did different symbol, up 4%. You guys can see it live. Look at the news. This is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, live breaking news. It's true. On Rich TV Live, we are the news. I told you guys. I wasn't kidding. There's more to come. Oh, as Rich Stradamus, I have more tricks up my sleeves. I told you guys, I'm not a great trader. I'm not a perfect trader, guys. I'm not. But together, as a team, we can become a great trading platform with incredible traders. It's true, and some of you are better traders than me. But man, this looks good, doesn't it? We got all the stocks scrolling. We got the updated tickers at our fingertips. We got all the news live as it happens. Oh, man, oh man. Feels good. Now let's take a look at the video section of the site. And what do we see? We go back and we see our live stream. How incredible is that? And then we got all the latest updated videos in a very professional, clean, and slick fashion. What do you guys think? Do you like the new website? Do you like the launch of the new site? Does it tell our story in a more professional way? Now remember, guys, the site that I built before, I built it myself, and I'm not a web designer. Now we've got Mobile Mayhem, and they are putting together an incredible website and app. And just get ready, guys. This is just the launch. There's more to come. It's true. How exciting is this? How exciting is it? Mobile Mayhem Developers are a new partner in everything IT related. If you need a website or you need an app, well, guess what? You want your site to look like this? We can make it happen. It's true. All our contact details are right there. Go to richtvlive.com. Everything is absolutely free. We don't need your money. We want your eyes. We want your eyes on the prize. It's true. It's true. Oh my goodness. Now, let's just say you want a trading account. Well, all you gotta do is click over here on this button over here called Choice Trade. And you gotta make the right choice. You click on Choice Trade and the link takes you right to Choice Trade. So you too can make the right choice with Choice Trade. Now, why is it not going to the link? Oh, we are updating the link as we speak. I apologize. This site is being updated simultaneously right now. While we are live, our developers, our IT specialists, and our programmers are working 24 hours a day around the clock to bring us the greatest website and app on the planet. And I think they've started and done a pretty good job. I think we've had an incredible upgrade in the website department, and I think you guys are going to love what we're doing with the app. And this is just the beginning. And like I said, if you're a private or public company and you need website development, you need a professional looking app, you need anything to do with IT services, let us know. Rich TV Live is now also, it's true, an IT company. Oh my goodness. Now let's take a look at the markets because I told you guys we're bleeding red. Let's bring out the angel of mercy for the bleeding. Now, when you have the markets at all-time highs, there is gravity in the markets. And what goes up, it's been told and proven usually 99% of the time, will come down and usually pretty hard. Thus, the results of the bloodshed. It's true. Now you say, Rich, why do you laugh if we're bleeding? Well, what do you want me to do? You want me to cry? Live on Rich TV Live and on YouTube, the greatest streaming live platform in the galaxy? Now let's take a look if there's some winners out there. Because if there's winners out there, you know we want to find us some, because we love chicken dinner. And in a day where the markets are just bleeding, what is going on with Bitcoin? I mean, it was touching 3,000 yesterday, and now we see us down 7% to $2,738. A collapse. Like, what happened here? Climb, 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 and then the crash. What exactly is happening to Bitcoin? But the opposite thing is happening with Ethereum. Look at Ethereum. Ethereum is climbing. Some are speculating. Okay, Angel of Mercy, I've had enough. Thank you. Thank you, Angel of Mercy. Now, Ethereum is the new Bitcoin. It's true. Ethereum is up 12% and at $381 and has already been adopted by major national banks in Singapore. If banks all over the world are going to start adopting Ethereum, well, Ethereum may just pass Bitcoin. And with Bitcoin sitting at $2,738, I think a lot of people are really focusing right now on Ethereum. Because Ethereum might be the better play. I mean, it's what? 12%, 15% of the price of Bitcoin? So you're getting more bang for your buck. And considering Bitcoin is already at 3,000 and really started to see some resistance around 2,800, went back up to 2,900 yesterday, almost hit 3,000, was at 3,000, I believe. Almost was. And then just went all the way down today. But what do we see? We see Ethereum continuously climbing. So I believe Ethereum may be the better opportunity here. And you see here Ripple now is third on this list, sitting at 25 cents. So maybe some of these cheaper ones at 25 cents, $381, NEM at 20 cents, Ethereum Classic at $19.71. Maybe some of these might be better opportunities. Litecoin sitting at $29. Dash sitting at $174. BitShare sitting at $35. So look at some of these other Bitcoin and cryptocurrency stocks. And some of these are much cheaper. As you can see, Bitcoin is at 002. Some of these are much cheaper. Now, there's a reason why they're cheaper. They might not be as good. It's like penny stocks. It's very risky. And remember what I told you guys, buyer beware. I am not a great trader. I make money sometimes. Sometimes I lose money. And I'm a very stubborn trader. I don't like to sell for a loss. So if stocks go down, I just hold. and I watch them and I buy more and I get to know the company and I hopefully have found a good company and believe in the company. And if they go down and find a 52-week low and find a bottom, that's when I'll really like to load up and position myself. And then if they explode and do a dead cat bounce, that's typically when I'll get an opportunity to get a good return on my investment. And that's my strategy. I kind of really zero in on the stocks, continue to watch them and continue to follow them and try to buy them at the lowest price, and then when they spike up, try to take my money and run. And a lot of you say, what's a good price to get out? 10, 20, 30% for me is good to get out. Anything in the green. Anytime I'm in the green and it's 10% or more, I'm already with my finger on the button looking to sell. And for me, my idea with stocks is accumulate. It's like real estate. When I buy real estate, it's a 5-year plan. I'm not buying real estate to flip the house. I buy the real estate, rent it out, and it's a 5-year plan. And with stocks, it's very similar for me. It's like, it's a draft pick. And sometimes you're investing in LeBron James. If you're buying Facebook, if you're buying Tesla, if you're buying Amazon, if you're buying Google, if you're buying Apple, I put those types of stocks in that category. Netflix, Home Depot, Shopify, these are all blue chip, can't miss companies that you can make a lot of money with long term. But they're going to go up and down in the interim. A lot of the penny stocks and Bitcoin cryptocurrency opportunities that are out there are very speculative, and they go up very quickly and they go down very quickly. So buyer beware, be very careful. This is why I always say you got to stay in a cash position. You got to stay in a cash position. And my idea about stocks and my idea about real estate and my idea about investing is value investing. Look for good companies, strong balance sheets, little to no debt, good product, and strong revenues, and are building revenues on a quarterly basis and are acquiring their growth, utilizing their stock as an asset, as a currency, as equity to go out and acquire your growth. Now, if you're a private or public company and you don't know how to do that, I totally understand. I get it. Not everybody knows how to do that. But we can teach you how to do that here on Rich TV Live. So if you do not know how to do that, we can help you. Okay? So don't worry. We can help. All right? Now, let's see if I can get a hold of a ninja that I know, a sniper that got in to the cryptocurrencies. Like a ninja just this weekend, because the cryptocurrencies, they're open 24 hours a day. Let's see if there's a ninja that can tell us his story. Is this the Cloud Ninja? Is this the Cloud Ninja?
Yeah.
How you doing, buddy?
I'm good.
We are live, my friend, and I just wanted to give you an opportunity to tell your story a little bit because I know that you, this weekend, took the plunge and you got involved in some of the cryptocurrencies that I have, that I'm featuring live right now on YouTube and on Rich TV Live. And I just wanted to know what you think and how you feel about it right now. I know obviously Bitcoin is down, so maybe a lot of them are down today, right now, this second. But why don't you tell us a little bit about your experience over the last couple days with cryptocurrencies?
Well, first of all, I purchased some Ethereum, Digibyte, and Bitcoin, Litecoin, and BitShares.
Okay, great.
Currently, I'm up on Ethereum 15.72%, and Digibyte, I'm down on Digibyte 10%, and Bitcoin 7%, Litecoin 9%. So those three are all down right now.
Now, do you know why the Bitcoin is down? Do you have any idea? Because it was up heavily, heavily yesterday, and I believe it did hit 3,000. Is that correct?
Yes, it did.
So do you have...
The market is correcting itself right now because, that's what somebody said on YouTube. So.
Well, I mean, when you go on all-time highs, like a lot of these have been, they have to go down so that they can go up, and they have to go up so that they can go down. So I believe that they are correcting, and that's why I always say I don't like to sell for a loss, and I don't like to panic in the markets. I take more of a relaxed approach, a long-term approach, because I think a lot of people, when you're prepared to take, 5, 10, 15, 20% losses, before you know it, you lost all your money. So,
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you think about that?
Um, as long as you're not, losing too much money, then I don't really like selling for a loss either. So I wouldn't do that.
Well, I think, when you're selling for a loss, you're admitting that the company is garbage. So for me, I want to do the research first. If I do the research first and I find a company I like, then technically, even if the stock goes down, I don't really care because I can just buy it for cheaper because I feel like it's on sale. Because I like to invest in companies that I like, that there's something about them that I like, that I have an affinity to. I've invested in a lot of medical marijuana companies. I've started investing now in Bitcoin companies that are involved in cryptocurrencies. I've invested in some gold. I've invested in some oil and gas, some technology companies. My portfolio is a lot of companies that I like. There's something I like about them, and that's my style and my strategy of investing. And it's more of a long term of a style of investing, kind of like with real estate. But a lot of people, they want to do day trading. They want to do in and out. They want to do very quick. And I like to do that too. But unfortunately, sometimes when the market corrects itself and you find yourself down, then you're not able to get out of the stock unless you're prepared to take a loss. And I'm not prepared to take a loss.
Right.
I'm just not prepared to do it. I don't want to do it
Not either.
because I know that I can lower my average cost. So why would I take a loss? Like if you're investing in Netflix, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Google, any of the major companies, and you were to buy them at any price over the last 2 years, you would already be up.
Yeah, exactly.
So the reality is, it's not necessarily the strategy, it may be the companies. So at the end of the day, the key is to look for bigger and better companies. And I think a lot of these cryptocurrencies are in their early stages and they're going to go up and down. But I think the key is not to panic because, if you're investing in a cryptocurrency and it's down right now, well, it was just up. So obviously people are just taking their profits.
Because I think when it drops, like it drops drastically, but if you buy like the top 10 stocks or the top 10 currencies, then you're pretty much safe. That's being really conservative.
That's like buying the Fab 15. It's like investing in the medical marijuana stocks and buying all of the companies that are in the ETF.
Yeah, exactly.
Like that's kind of what I look at it as. Like when I say the BIT 10 and I watch the top 10 every single day, those are the only ones that I'm interested in buying.
Dude,
They're
check out NXT, Rich. It's climbing up since yesterday. It's like came up to top 8 right now.
NXT. You know which site I'm using right now is coinmarketcap.com. That is the original. Oh, I see it. They're listed 29 on here. NXT. So NXT is at 18 cents, up 36%. Wow. Incredible. Yeah, the chart on that is absolutely beautiful. And that's the thing I love about these Bitcoin charts and these sites that have cryptocurrencies that they're watching. You can see here NXT is up 36%, guys. Look at the beautiful chart. And they show the chart right beside. It's just climbing, like the Cloud Ninja is saying. It's doing extremely well, up 36%. And these are the ones that I think are the really strong ones, are the ones that are up on a day when the entire market is down. So I think these are the ones that really show clues. If you're up like NXT and Ethereum on a day when everything else is red, then you are a really strong cryptocurrency. You are standing out amongst the competition, I believe. What do you think about that theory?
That is very true.
I mean, I don't know if it's true, but I think it, like, Ethereum is going up for a reason.
Because the banks are trying to adopt them now, because the banks really like Ethereum.
It's already been adopted in Singapore.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Oh yeah, it's already been adopted in Singapore. It's on MarketWatch right now. It's been adopted by Singapore. It's in the news. So yeah, it's been adopted by Singapore. That is big news, and that's why Ethereum is climbing right now. And because it's at $381 and Bitcoin's at $2,738, I haven't bought any yet because I just feel like it's just so high. It doesn't make sense to me. That's the only reason why I haven't bought it yet. But I'm watching Ethereum climb and I'm thinking this is the better buy right now. And I think everybody else is following that trend because I've watched this climb from $100 to $381 in my face.
Right.
Like in a period of the last couple months. Did you know that Ethereum was at $12 in January?
No, I didn't. I saw it at $70.
Yeah, it was at $12 in January.
Yeah.
So just put that into perspective. If you bought it for $12 in January, you would be up 30 times on your money.
Wow.
So $1,000 would be worth $30,000.
Jesus Christ.
$10,000 would be worth $300,000. $100 would be worth $3,000.
Wow.
So that's why this is an opportunity of a lifetime, and you're in early. So I commend you for going the extra mile, setting up the account. Now that you've gone through the process of setting up your accounts, can you explain to everyone at home which accounts you used? The only accounts you used to set up your account and start trading.
Coinbase, CoinMama, and Livecoin.
Okay, so let's pull them up. Coinbase.com. Do you like Coinbase?
Not to purchase Bitcoin, but for a wallet to transfer to. Yeah, it's perfect.
For some reason, my internet is extremely slow. So I can't pull it up. I don't know why. Let me take this off. You know what? For some reason, my internet is just running really, really slow right now, so I'm not able to pull it up. But Coinbase.com, you're saying is good to... sorry, you said it's good to buy Bitcoin and
It's good
Ethereum?
to use it as a wallet.
It's good to use that as a wallet, but it's not good to buy...
Purchasing, no.
It's not good to buy...
The fees they charge are too high.
What is going on here? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Something's wrong with my internet. My internet's like not working. I don't know why. So weird. But anyways, so Coinbase, you like Coinbase, but you like their wallet. So you use them for their wallet. You don't use them to buy or sell. Now the reason why Kenny doesn't like using Coinbase to buy or sell is that they have a limit, and I believe their daily limit is based on your credit score. Is that correct, Kenny?
No, it's like $15 a week.
No, I know, but that's based on your credit.
Really?
Yes, that's correct. So if you have a really good credit score, or you have, I guess, if they determine you to have very high credit, they will give you the ability to buy more. If they do not determine you to have good credit, they won't give you the ability to buy as much. I heard that some people get the ability to buy $250 a day, and then I hear some people get the ability to buy $15 a day. So it's really weird, and I don't think it is the best platform to use, but I know it is a platform a lot of people are using.
No, I'm just using it for the wallet, dude. So.
Yeah, so if you guys want a good wallet, Coinbase is a good wallet, but it doesn't have, like I said, the best platform to buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it is a good place to go if you just want to buy a little bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum and you just want to get in the game. It might be a good way just to get in and buy a little bit. So that's what a lot of people are doing if they just want to buy a little bit of Coinbase. For some reason, Coinbase is not coming up. I don't know why. So let's go to CoinMama. What do you think about CoinMama? Okay, so CoinMama is another site, and for some reason, I don't know why, my computer is not pulling anything up. Like, are you serious right now? It's saying service unavailable to Coinbase. I don't know if Coinbase is having
Let me
troubles.
check on my computer.
Is Coinbase having troubles?
I don't know.
You know what's crazy with these Bitcoin companies is like,
They're not. It's working fine for me.
is it working good for you?
Yeah.
What the heck? It says service unavailable. Coinbase is currently down for maintenance.
No,
That is so weird.
I can sign in and everything.
Wow. I don't know. I don't know what's going on here with my computer. I'm having some issues. All right. Well, I guess that doesn't want to work. So we will pull up our level 2. So CoinMama is where you actually purchased your Bitcoin, correct?
Yes.
And you then transferred to your Coinbase wallet and then transferred from your Coinbase wallet to your livecoin.net account, correct?
Yes.
Okay, good. So that is how Kenny set up his account and he bought his Bitcoin. And the beautiful thing about Bitcoin is that it is 24 hours a day. And because it is 24 hours a day, it gives you the ability to set up your account anytime you want. On a Saturday, on a Sunday, anytime you want, you can set up your account, correct?
Yep.
So that's pretty cool. And you set up your account and you're able to buy and sell Bitcoin. Now, my question to you is, how long did that take to set up your CoinMama account and actually buy Bitcoin?
Probably like 40 minutes.
So it took you 40 minutes to set up your CoinMama account, actually buy your Bitcoin, and you were then able to transfer into your wallet, transfer from your wallet to your livecoin.net account. How long did it take for that?
That took about like 15 minutes.
Okay, so within an hour, you were able to buy your cryptocurrencies on livecoin.net, correct?
Yes, sir.
So it took Kenny an hour to set up his CoinMama account, put money into his CoinMama account, and you can do that through either a credit card or a bank wire or even a debit transaction or an e-transfer.
You're not even putting money into the CoinMama account. There's no. You're just purchasing that Bitcoin from there.
You're purchasing the Bitcoin from there. So
Yeah.
you put the money into your wallet then.
Yes.
So
you purchase from CoinMama, and then you, when you purchase, you copy your wallet link, and you put it into CoinMama when you purchase your Bitcoins.
okay. So you then go and you put that into livecoin.net where you trade your cryptocurrencies. And you said you bought how many different cryptocurrencies?
I have currently, let me see. Right now I sold like 3 and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different cryptocurrencies right now.
Very good. So you are currently buying and selling cryptocurrencies like stocks, correct?
Yes.
And is it similar? Is it different? How does
It's very similar. Like, it's basically the same.
Wow. Okay, perfect. So your experience with livecoin.net right now is that it is a good experience?
Yes.
All right, guys. So based on what we're hearing is a really good wallet to have is Coinbase. I have the blockchain wallet, okay?
It doesn't really matter what wallet you use. It's, I can use blockchain to transfer money too, so.
That's correct. You can have as many wallets as you want. I have a Coinbase wallet as well. I have a blockchain wallet. I have a Monero wallet. I have like 5 or 6 wallets because I intend to own all of these different cryptocurrencies that I've been researching. And I've been just getting into them. I've been using their wallets. I've been just kind of trying to get to know these companies. And I find that it's fascinating this whole space, this cryptocurrency space, because nobody really knows where anything's going to go. Everything is kind of speculation.
Yeah.
And it's super risky.
That's why I'm just buying, accumulating Ethereum and.
Ethereum right now seems like the best bet because it's the one that's going up every single day.
Yeah.
So as far as I'm concerned, I think Ethereum might be one of the best buys out of all of them that I see. I see a lot of these penny stock opportunities, which are amazing, but it's like, what if they don't go up? Eventually, you assume that this market is going to have some type of regulation, but currently there are no regulators in this marketplace. So there's nobody to stop Ethereum from $381 to $1,000. And there are people that are in the industry, Kenny, that I've been talking to that have been in this industry for years that told me that there is a machine that predicted that Ethereum may even bypass Bitcoin. And there's also a machine that has predicted that Bitcoin may go as high as $13,000 a coin by February of 2018.
I believe it.
And we saw it at 3,000. I don't know what happened. It's so weird the way it's crashed down. We saw it at 3,000, and now we see it crashing down. So it's
probably go back up, probably sometime this week.
It seems very, very odd the way that it's crashed. It seems extremely, extremely odd. I don't understand. I believe it will go up. I think it might come up even today because it was touching 3,000. It seems as like everybody today was like, oh, wow, let's sell at 3,000. It's at all-time highs. Let's just sell. Sell, 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 sell. So it created like a mad amount of momentum trading down, selling down, downward pressure, which is interesting because I think it's becoming more mainstream by the second.
Right.
Would you agree?
Every day.
Would you agree it's becoming more mainstream by the second?
Of course.
Okay, and saying it's becoming more mainstream by the second, do you think that that's going to be a good thing for this, or do you think it's going to be a bad thing for this?
Oh, it'll be a good thing for it.
And why do you think it's going to be a good thing for it?
There's plenty of reasons, but for long-term investments, I think the cryptocurrencies, altcoins are the way to go.
I agree. I think that they are the future. A lot of people have predicted, and successful billionaire tycoons like Bill Gates have predicted that they are going to just keep going up. And some people have predicted that they are going to go up to as high as $500,000 to $1 million per coin US.
Yes, I know.
So,
I due diligence on all altcoins.
And when you hear that kind of stuff, it's absolutely mind-boggling to think that these things could go back to those levels. It just doesn't even seem real. It doesn't even seem real. It seems almost like too good to be true. And I've been sitting on the sidelines waiting for a collapse. Today's the largest collapse, I think, the largest intraday collapse I've seen.
Yeah.
What do you think? Like, since you've been watching, have you seen it collapse 7% like Bitcoin is down right now?
Yeah, like I've been watching Bitcoin like all the time, every day.
Have you seen it collapse like this?
No.
Well, from what I've heard, this is...
I think like last month, I believe.
Yeah, I
Just
think...
a little bit.
This is one of those things where this is I believe a simple correction. It may even be creating an incredible buying opportunity at these levels for people.
Buying opportunity.
And I believe that this, like I said, it just goes to show how powerful Ethereum is. I really believe that Ethereum, it may surpass Bitcoin. It really may surpass Bitcoin. I think it's possible.
Bitcoin and Ethereum is where it's at. You're gonna buy, currencies.
It's so weird. I'm trying to pull up Coinbase.com, and it keeps saying service unavailable. I really don't know why. It's
Well, you don't really have to go to Coinbase
No.
anymore.
I'm just saying Coinbase is saying that for me, so I really think that that's a little bit concerning.
Well,
But Coin Mama, guys, I just pulled up Coin Mama right now. This is the way Coin Mama looks. And we are going to have a link on Rich TV Live so you guys can actually sign up through Rich TV Live and work with us as an affiliate. And we really want to work heavily with Coin Mama because I actually found out that you can actually buy up to $1 million worth of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies through Coin Mama. Were you aware of that, Kenny?
Yes.
So that is amazing. And I heard that Coin Mama is actually one of the biggest and one of the best platforms on in the world to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It is actually, I've been told by some very high-level, successful entrepreneurs here in Vancouver that this is the platform to use. So if you guys are interested,
that's why I purchased it from there.
yeah, so if you guys are interested in buying from a very safe platform, a very big platform, a platform that is easy to use, allows you to buy and sell Bitcoins for cash, with credit cards, with cash, very easily, right online, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's incredible. And Kenny just showed you guys how easy it is. I have it showing you on the screen right now. And if I pull up the crypto world coin index right now, wow, Bitcoin has just crashed down to 2,400, Kenny.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. We are seeing a crash of epic proportions. Bitcoin and Ethereum are crashing. Oh my goodness.
I'm not even worried though.
You're not worried that it's crashed from 2,900 to 2,400?
Nope.
Whoa.
Because I'm looking at it long term, like 3 months, you know, like.
Wow. This is crazy. I just changed the title to our show to Bitcoin is crashing. This is absolutely mental. This is crazy. We are literally watching this crash live. Like this is 24.78 down 16%. Wow. That's a major drop. I was just saying it was a good buy at 2,700. Now we're at 2,400. Now it's a really good buy, but the question is, how much is this free fall going to drop? I mean, we are live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform in the galaxy, and on Rich TV Live, streaming this live, and we are watching the price of Bitcoin drop. Now, are you watching it live?
Yes, sir.
What price is it at live right now?
It's at $2,496.79.
Okay, so on the World Coin Index, I see it at 2,478. So what are you using? Are you using livecoin.net?
No, I'm in the World Coin Index as well.
Okay, so
it's jumped to 498.
Oh wow, it's back up to 2,500. So it might be, yeah, it might be creating a great buying opportunity at 2,400. Absolutely. Oh, 2,506. It's climbing back. Oh, Ethereum's back in the green.
I'm not even worried. Like, Ethereum is going back up.
Ethereum's back in the green. Oh, back in the red. At $338.
It's going to be all fine.
You believe at the end of the day it's going to end up okay?
I mean, it's trading 24 hours, so there's no end of the day anyway.
Yeah, that's right. What's the end of the day? There is no end of the day for Bitcoin. So let's see how this is affecting Bitcoin stocks. Now, GBTC is the biggest and the baddest company in the world. Bitcoin Investment Trust, oh my goodness, down to $370. Down to $378. Now, we talked about this yesterday. I told you I think this is going to go down because ARKW, a fund itself that holds GBTC, sold their position and said that they felt that it was overvalued. They felt that it was overvalued. Look at how this has affected ARKW. ARKW is down 2%. Everything Bitcoin right now is falling. Everything Bitcoin right now is falling. My goodness. This is crazy. It's a sea of red.
Like, if you look at the World Coin Index, look at the top, everything is in the red.
Wow. Everything is just doing a free fall.
Oh. So it's creating a lot of buying opportunities right now, so.
The question is, how low will it go?
Yeah, exactly. But guess what? NXT is still up 8.31%.
Which one?
NXT?
Did you buy that one?
No, I'm watching it. I'm dating it right now. So I'm
Nice.
just trying to see if it's gonna pull back or not.
Well, I think this is creating a buying opportunity I'm literally looking at every single Bitcoin or cryptocurrency related stock right now. They are all in the red. There's an incredible pullback opportunity in every single one of these stocks right now. There's an incredible buying opportunity being created. But the question is, how low will these go, and how low will Bitcoin go? That's really the question right now.
That's why I'm converting all my Bitcoins to Ethereum.
It's interesting. Wow, it's climbing back. It's already at 25.21.
Yep.
The drops. This may have been the best opportunity to get into Bitcoin for me in the last month, and I wasn't ready. This may have been the best sniper trade opportunity at 2,400 to get into Bitcoin that I've seen in the last month.
Yeah, 24-hour high was like $2,976.
Wow. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely nuts. All right, Kenny. Well, thank you for joining us. Thank you for your insight. I hope and I wish you the most success in all of those trades. I'm sure those will turn around. Everything that goes up has to come down, and everything that comes down has to come up. So at the end of the day, be patient. Continue to find those winners. And I'm going to be getting involved very soon, and I'm going to be playing in that playground with you, my friend, very, very soon. I can't wait. I'm getting excited, and I just can't wait to get into that playground because I believe this is the future. And out of 700 cryptocurrencies that you can actually invest in, I believe there's about 730 of them. I believe over 300 of them are up since January, which I believe is around 40% of all the cryptocurrencies are up. And they're up, a lot of them, thousands of percent, some of them millions of percent. So I'll take my chances there compared to the OTC markets and the penny stock world, where maybe 10% of all the stocks are up since January. Now, in the big boards, I believe, they're up as a whole. So if you're playing big board stocks since January, you're up. But remember, they're up and they're at all-time highs, so you got to expect a correction soon. I believe a lot of people are putting themselves in a cash position. They're putting their money in safekeeping right now because summertime is brutal for the markets, and a lot of guys that are smart traders are just getting ready for a bumpy ride.
I believe it.
All right, Kenny. Have yourself a great day. Thanks for joining us, my friend. And we look forward to talking to you soon. And congratulations for getting into the Bitcoin world and into the cryptocurrency space, my friend. And I wish you the utmost of success in all of the stocks and cryptocurrencies that you've invested in.
Thank you.
Have a great day, buddy. Cheers.
You too.
That's Kenny Lee, a true sniper. Now, we've been watching some of these go down live. But you know what? Kenny's not afraid. He's not afraid. He's a true sniper. He knows that these stocks are going to go up and they're going to go down. And that's just the way it goes. And there's nothing that you can do. All you can do is buy low and sell high. Let's hear a little bit of Kenny. Now, you guys want to see some stocks? GTXI up 73%. Ooh, yeah. That's a big winner. Traded 4.2 million shares at $5.36 on the NASDAQ. We're going to start dating right now. Would you like another? BIT. Another winner. Now this one's got some chicken dinner written all over it. And then the shorter saw some meat on the bone. Took it right down. We're going to start dating live on Rich TV Live, the greatest streaming platform in the galaxy, YouTube. I love you, YouTube. Without you, YouTube, none of this would be possible. But because of you, everything is possible. Now, when you see Exhibit XBIT up 40%, it's got me licking my chops. Now it's been as high as $5.61. Currently at $4.51, and success leaves clues. Could it come back up here again? Maybe. How about PXS? Up 36%. Ooh, yeah. And then the shorters got it. Up 36% at $1.72 on the NASDAQ. Another winner. Told you I'd bring in the winners. Now, as Rich Stradamus, could I possibly have some more? Could I possibly have some more chicken dinner? Well, I believe last week I was telling you guys the marijuana stocks were hitting a floor. I told you guys the marijuana stocks were hitting a bottom. I told you guys that Aphira Inc. was undervalued. I told you it was underappreciated. I told you it was underexposed. I told you I loved Aphira Inc. Well, what's happening today? Is it climbing? Up 8.1%. Ooh, yeah. Marijuana stocks are coming back, guys. It's true. Get ready. I have a feeling. As Rich Stradamus, that the marijuana stocks are coming back. We're at 420. Up 8.5%. How about this one? Another NASDAQ stock at 41 cents. We're up 15%. Ooh, yeah. Renova Health Inc., RNBA. I brought it to you first. Up 15%. Traded 2.9 million shares. Woo! And then down. And then up again. And then down again. What do you think? Those are some winners. It's got some chicken dinner written all over it, doesn't it? It's true. It does. Now I'm going to go back to some trading. Because the markets are volatile. They're crazy. So now's the time, more than ever, I believe, to really get me some Bitcoin. Because it's crashing. And if there was ever a good time to buy some Bitcoin right now, would be probably the time, because we were at 3,000 last night, and now we're at 2,500, the lowest I've seen it in weeks. So this might be a good time to buy. Now Ethereum, that might be a good time to buy too. But everything is crashing, so let's just see how low it goes. I'm going to go and put myself in a buying position, because you like to buy in the red and you like to sell in the green, right? And now's the time for me to load up. This is a buying opportunity for me. And I've been waiting strategically for this opportunity. So I got to go. I really got to go. I got to get me some Bitcoin. This is the time to buy. I really think this could be the opportunity. So I want to load up right now, and I think now's the time to do it. So I think it's time to go, guys. Sorry. Sorry. I think it's time. Now, we did launch Coin Mama. I love you, Coin Mama. You too can be an affiliate of Rich TV Live through Coin Mama. I'll put a link in the description down below. And we're going to have the link right on our website, right on Rich TV Live, so you can buy all the Bitcoin you want, up to $1 million at Coin Mama, right through Rich TV Live. It's true. Crazy. Crazy. Now let's take a look at that beautiful, new, shiny website. The beautiful, new, shiny website. So if you guys want web services, if you want media services, if you want IT services, you know where to go. www.richtvlive.com. You know where to go, guys. One-stop shop. And we're just getting started. Has it been 5 months on YouTube? 5 months. It's true. 5 short months. And this is just the beginning of one of the fastest growing, most powerful media companies in the galaxy. We've got our own medical marijuana company. We've got our own CBD company. We've got our own media company. We've got our own villa in the Dominican Republic. It's true. It's true. We are the news! I told you guys, we are the news. All you gotta do is click the news button. Just click the news. There it is. All the news is right there at your fingertips. I told you I was Rich Tradamus. I told you I'd break the news live. I told you. And if you want some videos and you want to get updated, you just click videos. That's all you do. It's not hard. It's all right there. Get updated on our videos. And if you want a trading account and you don't know where to go, you gotta click on Choice Trade. It takes you right there. Make the right choice. Trade with Choice Trade. It's true. We got our own trading partnership. We got our own IT company. We got our own CBD company. We got our own medical marijuana company. We got our own media company. And oh yeah, it's been 5 months. Thank you, gods. Thank you, tools of the gods. Thank you. And yes, we are building a billion, not a million, but $1 billion company. So if you'd like to get featured on Rich TV Live, if you like a website, if you like to buy some CBDs, if you like to invest in a medical marijuana company, that will be featured on Rich TV Live very, very shortly. And if you like to invest in any of the companies that will be featured on Rich TV Live, just let me know. We can make it happen. It's true. It's a dream come true. When you do what you love, it doesn't feel like work. And when you do what you love, great things are possible. And I love you guys, the people, because without you guys, none of this is possible. You, the people, created all of this. It's true. And you, the people, have changed my life. It's true. And you, the people, you have spoken. You want freedom. So all you got to do is go to Rich TV Live and make sure you subscribe. so you too can join the fastest growing community of winners in the galaxy. Snipers, ninjas. It's true. We are the news. Oh my goodness. Visit Rich TV Live. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like down below and comment on my show because all I do is bring you winners. Occasionally a chicken dinner. Soon a celebrity or two. And very, very soon a CEO or two. It's true. Now remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Make sure you hit the like button, comment on the show. If you don't like something, hit the dislike. I'm cool with that too. I take negative criticism. I ain't perfect. You know, I'm a work in progress. I'm a work in progress. I love you guys. Stay positive. Follow your dreams. Follow your passions. Because anything is possible. Your dreams can come true. Peace. I'll leave you guys with you guys see that? Peace. I will go buy me some Bitcoin. Buy in the red, sell in the green. Rich TV Live. Subscribe. Two walk like two